Okay guys, this is a 2021 Ford Expedition Limited. Power running boards. Start it up here for you. $26,600 miles. Adaptive cruise, power liftgate, adjustable pedals, power tilt, power folding mirrors, blind spot monitors, adaptive cruise. It is 4-wheel drive, smart key, wireless charging, heated cooled seats, navigation, backup camera, B&O sound system, power seats, rear heated seats, all your power here. Power liftgate. Does have your tow package under there. These are power third row. You can see they have power tilt. It's got all your power back here. Third row. Check out all our inventory at monarchautogrokers.com.